Hi guys! For today's mini vlog, dumating na ang ating in-order na mini stand fan. So, samahan nyo ako, buuin natin. Yan guys, may motor siya. Siyempre, kasama yan na binili mo. Sunod natin is yung mismong head ng fan, yung stand, yung base. So, yan. So, assemble na natin guys. May groove siya eh, so dapat sundan yung groove.
So if it all goes down, Vandy, not St. Thomas. I need a round of applause and the next round's on me. Look what causes these moments. I come from down the street. Hits the health and the patience around this round the week. It hits the being the humans that we was bound to be.
Sunodin eh, no? Alam mo talaga yung paunan eh. Ayun. Kailangan natin multi-tool. Minana ko pa kay parang Lindel.
Destiny is pressure to succeed, but ain't nobody next to me as I step to compete. I used to live on $30 for at least a week. Eating pieces by the threes, they freeze to be cheap.
Naglalaro pag
Never knew how I
nag-assemble
make
ka
it
ng
here, but
ganito
I
eh,
knew
no?
the cost. Even longer way to go and all the rules is off. It's uncomfortable not knowing the route to the top, but I'm leaning back in this and taking my shoes off. Yeah, lock in. I'ma put this clock in. Me, I'm down for whatever as long as the speaker's knocking. Eyes baggy as Birkin, my hair long as a rock band. I'm attached to my purpose, attached to stacking the options. One look at a cursor could catapult me to top 10. I'm all for it. Every moment that I got supported. I want my girl to have riches with no fear of my glory. If this get lost in transition, I hope you share the story.
Malit pa pero maganda daw bugan ito, sabi ni ate. So, matakas naman yung buga guys. Cool!